But as we improve, let's also focus on the quality of work. And this should be from everybody.
While admitting that the number of judicial officers is not enough in the country, the Deputy Chief Justice Richard Butera noted that the government is working on the manpower gap.
If we have to deal with the case backlog, then one of the starting points is having enough judicial officers, enough lawyers. Now that we have 4 chief magistrates and a resident judge in Arua and resident judges in Iguru, it's true the magistrates and judges are not yet enough, but have we not improved?
He challenged lawyers to read judgments of the Court of Appeal that are available online in order to know what the Court of Appeal is doing.
But for the lawyers, you don't have to be physically there. And the judgments of the Court of Appeal for all these sessions that we have held are on you. Your first duty as a lawyer is to study and keep reading.
The chairperson of Uganda Law Council, Iren Mulyagonja, who is part of the panel, called upon practicing lawyers to mentor what she called young lawyers fresh from Law Development Center to avert errors in court sessions.
So as Uganda Law Society, it is important that you take on young advocates and mentor them. We see a lot of embarrassment when people appear in the Court of Appeal. Sometimes they do not know, even deportment, how to dress up when you are coming before the court.
The Deputy Chief Justice says alternative dispute resolution mechanism works best in the current situation of inadequate judicial officers to address case backlogs.
You are handling appeals from 81 judges of the High Court, and we have to service that with only 3 panels. So for the time being, we shall not be able to extend civil sessions here. We think alternative dispute resolution mechanism in both civil and criminal cases will handle much of the backlog we have. Judiciary has been training retired and retiring judges and magistrates, and very soon they will be deployed to handle alternative dispute resolution mechanisms. This has been done with the help of Pepperdine University.
The panel of 3 judges is handling 31 cases with 15 murder cases, 3 robbery and 13 defilement cases. Last year, Court of Appeal handled 40 cases in Arua.